workers there.
In the blue corner, she is all the way from Italia. She is the Italian champion for light contact and full contact 5 times. Her name is Mosetti.
Yeah, you got to respect them for coming over.
And in the red corner, she represents Undisputed Fight Academy. She is the WKU World Champion. Looking to unify, this is Naomi Powis.
Yeah, big following here for Naomi. She was very...
Have to respect the achievements of both girls here. Two highly decorated and talented female kickboxers.
This is going to be all action. I'm looking forward to this fight.
Do not blink. Here we go.
Round 1.
First bell gone. Both girls meeting in the middle.
Naomi standing strong in the centre ring. Nice
Strong hands, followed by a kick for Naomi. The Italian girl's trying to throw back her hands.
Both girls eager here. Naomi finding her distance with kicks. And there's a nice one answered by Kiara in a second.
Both figuring out their range in the first round. Kiara looking very aggressive here in the first round. Naomi looking unfazed. Just figuring out their range, to be honest.
Both girls coming forward, trying to land. Oh, big shot by Naomi Powis. Nice side kick return. Big combinations been thrown by both girls.
Kiara coming in with her head a little bit, though, I would like. Yeah, she needs to watch that a little bit. Good movement from Naomi. Yeah, Naomi's known for having good movement.
Oh,
nice right hand, beautiful.
Nice body kick to follow.
Lovely
nice
head movement.
Good head
Kiara
movement
pushed forward though. Yeah, this could be a good fight.
You see the heads coming together here.
Yeah,
both
a little bit of a
girls
head
eager
clash there.
to put their foot in this WKA world title.
A little bit of a language barrier there. I think she's unsure of why she's been warned.
Both of these girls hold big power.
Yeah, both throwing really good shots
nice
here.
right hook again by Powis, followed back by Mosetti.
And that's time after round 1.
Yeah, both girls looking really strong there.
Definitely a really good opening round for both girls.
Round 2.
Hayley Smiley, Kaylee, yo, you tell me, what are your thoughts on that last round?
Both girls are looking really strong. We know what Naomi's about. She carries huge power in her hands and legs. But Kiara didn't come here to make up the numbers. She's really, really strong. As you can see, they're flying forward. There's zero fear in either of these girls.
Absolutely. Kiara Mosetti, she is a WACO light contact and full contact champion 5 times in Italia, and she fights in the world and European circuit, and she is very well versed in working her way inside and out with those shots right there.
Definitely, you can definitely see both girls are very experienced. This is a real crowd pleaser.
Absolutely. Naomi Powis, I'm telling you, she is a sharp shooter right there, working on the counter, and when she gets on the counter, she is making it happen. Absolutely, just there, a kick came in, and she had her right hand ready, and once again, that right hand finds her way in.
Both girls are coming together so quickly.
You can see they must have been studying each other at least a little bit, because they all seem to be working around a certain game plan.
Definitely, both fighters have massive fight IQ. You can see that they're working each other out. Really similar fighters too, which is great to see.
Absolutely, you can see the footwork is there. I've seen a couple of sweep attempts, and just there you've just seen a successful attempt by Naomi, putting Mosetti to the floor.
This is a real full contact fight.
Adjustments made and back in the game. Naomi is now pushing forwards. Mosetti is trying to hold her back and trying to reclaim the center of the ring.
Naomi working her head movement there, getting out of trouble.
But as we see, Naomi is not letting that happen. She wants that ring. She does not want to let it go. And pushing Mosetti to the edge.
Definitely, she's pushing forward all the time. Here's Mosetti coming back now as well.
The jab trying to make the attempt for the reverse, and it didn't quite happen, but amazing fight right there. Listen, I bet you there's going to be a tornado right now. I'll bet you £1,000. No, you don't work in pounds, you work in euros. All right, they bring it.
I'll take an overhand right.
Okay, let's see what we got.
We're back in action.
Working away in there, working on a clinch, and then pushing it back out again.
Naomi coming forward with the roundhouse.
Mosetti now getting a bit wide to that jab. And going with the 1-2. And again, the sweep attempt. Not successful, but put her off balance.
Nice roundhouse.
Body, then head. Then into a clinch.
Both fighters meeting in the middle. You can see Naomi throwing while Mosetti comes in.
Once again, we can see Naomi holding the center well and pushing Mosetti to the edge.
Mosetti charging forward, good head movement out of Powis.
Mosetti working that blitzing fashion to try and regain the center, but again, getting into that clinch and now receiving a warning for holding. Referee saying there's no holding, that's the second warning. Chiara accepting the warning and now bringing it back. Naomi Powis waiting in the midst and now bringing it back out the shadows.
Both girls trading.
Powis working on the upstairs, downstairs. Mosetti trying to work in that blitzing fashion with the 1-2, but then again working in that clinch, held, and now trying to work again.
Nice right hand by Naomi Powis.
Naomi looking very relaxed out there, I can see. She has been studying and has a great game plan. Once again, the referee is having to speak to Mosetti. Talking about clinching and pushing on this one.
I think both fighters here just coming together at such speed that that's just naturally happening.
Absolutely, absolutely. I agree with you on that one. I think the thing is they both have got so much pressure on each other that there's going to be a clash and they're going to be having to meet in the middle at some point, and this is what we're finding over and over again.
Nice side kick there. Nice roundhouse in return by Naomi.
Mosetti working the lead leg while Powis is working the rear leg. We're bringing off that power and then following up. Bit of holding, then kicking, but the referee's letting it go.
Nice head movement again by Naomi.
Again, Naomi looking very relaxed, pushing her into the corner, making sure she cuts off the ring, and that is time after that one. Thank you very much, ladies. I'm getting back to the calls.
Good combination there by Chiara at the end.
Seconds out. Round 4. Give me some more.
Here we go, round 4. More action coming up. Both girls to centre stage again.
Both girls meet in the middle again.
Oh, nice roundhouse.
Yeah, Chiara's looking strong.
Oh, big shot.
Nice jab from Naomi.
Oh, big shot
beautiful
returned by
cross.
Powis. Both girls thrown down. Go push kick by Naomi here. Mosetti running forward again. Really big shots landing here.
Yeah, both girls pushing forward.
Oh, nice head kick.
Yeah, strong kicks from
1-2,
Kiara.
nice right-handed return by Naomi.
Naomi's constantly on that front foot. Beautiful
Kiara,
work.
really good counter hitter here now too. Both girls, very similar full contact style.
Yeah, both girls digging deep here, leaving it all in the ring.
Good combinations.
Both girls looking really strong here. Naomi moving, so Kiara's just missing.
These girls are extremely strong. You have to remember they're 47 kilos. This is crazy strength for this weight. Both girls coming together again.
Yeah, mix of styles sometimes, both opposite stances, both. Nice kick
by
from
Mosetti.
Kiara.
Naomi looking to follow up here. Good shots there in the
nice
inside by
shots from
Naomi, followed
Naomi.
by a roundhouse. Good scoring shots.
That is time after round number 4. Give me some more.
Yeah, both girls are looking really strong there. Naomi with a good movement, picking off shots nicely. Kiara coming in really strong.
Sign of respect before some more war.
Round 5.
Fifth and final round.
Here we go.
Both girls are going to leave everything in the ring here. They both want it. They're both proving why they should be fighting for a world
Big
title.
shots by both girls here. Nice movement by Powis. Get out of the way. Both
And
girls
again.
trying hard here.
Yeah, Naomi fainting, making her miss, then coming in with good shots of her own. Yeah, they get tangled again. Both trying to sweep.
Sweep attempts. Both girls want this. Who is taking this world title home? Oh, big right hand by Naomi Powis.
Yeah, both girls still looking strong.
Kiara took that shot and still came forward. Two really, really tough fighters here.
Nice shot there from
Really good
Kiara,
shots
but
landed.
Naomi replies with a big body kick. She's fainting, she's trying to draw her in.
Both girls digging deep here. They know what it takes. They've been here before.
Yeah, fifth and final round here. Both girls still looking strong. Both ready to go.
Both girls trying to work on the inside. Nice uppercuts from Powis. Close the moments around 5. Nice roundhouse to the body. Good work by Powis.
Nice shots.
See body and head there by Powis. Kiara's going nowhere. They're not, though not a back step. Oh.
Yeah, right hand for a front kick there. 10 seconds
Nice push
left.
kicks by Powis. Oh, big loop and hook by Mosetti. Wow.
Explosive! And the round number 5.
Yeah, good work from both girls there. That's what world titles are for.
The decision is in. And your winner, your WKA World Champion, is in the red corner, Naomi Powis!
Big well done to Naomi. She picked the girl off a lot more. Kiara looked strong, but Naomi was picking her off and taking her moments.
Congratulations, Naomi Powis, new WKA World Champion.
Make some noise!